You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving question number 2 from the series of questions we started earlier. It says that you construct a scale of 3 centimeter equal 1 decimeter to read up to 4 decimeter in centimeter. So we have decimeter and centimeter. That means it is a plane scale. So it can read up to 1 decimal place. So the first thing we're going to do is to determine the length of scale. The ratio is 3 centimeter to 1 decimeter. Let's do that. Ratio is equal to 3 centimeter to 1 decimeter. Confirm again. 3 centimeter to 1 decimeter. Yeah, that's it. So therefore the RF representative fraction will be 3 centimeter all over 1 decimeter. Now convert everything to millimeter. This will be 30 millimeter all over 100 millimeter. So 0 we cancel 0. We have 3 over 10. So what will now be the LS, length of scale? LS will be the maximum measurable length on the scale. What's the maximum measurable length? It says to read up to 4 decimeter. So this is the maximum measurable length, 4 decimeter. So it will be maximum measurable length on the scale multiplied by RF. So that is 4 decimeter times 3 all over 10. Now we need to convert this decimeter to millimeter. It will give us 400 times 3 all over 10. So 0 will cancel 0. 40 times 3 will give us 120 millimeter. So the length of scale is 120 millimeter. So let us go ahead and construct our scale now. The first thing to do is to draw a line of 120 millimeter. I want to start from 19. From 19 to 29 will be 100, 110. This is 120, like this. So then I draw vertical line from the two ends. Vertical line with the aid of my t-square and set square. Vertical lines. So on the vertical line, I will measure 1 cm. This is 1 cm. So I can use my t-square to draw it all through like this. So that's the length of my scale. So the next thing I want to do now is to now divide my scale into a number of parts. And how do we do that? We go back to our question. It says to read up to, look at it, to read up to 4 decimeter. So you now pick this 4. That's the number of places we are going to divide the length of scale. So we're going to divide it into 4 equal parts. To do that, I'll stay here like this. Draw a line. I can measure 2. This is 1, 2 cm, 2, 3, 4. That's equal division in 4 places. So I will now, the last end, I'll connect it to the end of the length of scale. I'll place it like this. Place it like this. Place this one under it. I'll draw this one first, like this. Then I'll now transfer to the next point, like this. I'll transfer it here. Go to the next one. I'll transfer it here, and the last one, transfer it here. So I've succeeded in dividing the length of scale into 4 equal parts. The next thing to do is to draw vertical line from the point of division. Draw vertical line. 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth one. So now that I've done this one, because the question says that it is 4 decimeter in centimeter, so the main scale is decimeter, which is 4. So I'll put 0 here, and I have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and this place will be decimeter, and this one will be the centimeter. From here to here is centimeter. That is 0.1 decimeter, 0.2 decimeter, up to 0.9 before you get to 1 decimeter. And how do I do this? I need to divide this one into 10 equal parts. So I'll draw another scale line here. This time around, I want to use 5 mm. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 divisions. I'll now join the last one to the end of the line that I want to divide. I'll join it like this. So I'll connect this one, and I'll put my set square at the back of this one like this. I'll hold this set square very firmly. This one at the bottom, I'll hold it firmly. Then let me move the T-square. Let's place it again. Hold it firmly like this. Then I'll shift it like this. Put it here. Go to the next one. Like this. To the next one. This. To the next one. This. To the next one. I have to be very careful, especially the set square that is under, not the one that you are sliding, the one under. Make sure it doesn't shift. You hold it very firmly so it doesn't shift, otherwise your lines will not be parallel and to give you error. And the last one, yes. So after this, the next thing is to now draw vertical lines from all the points of division. Vertical lines, place it like this. Draw vertical line, vertical lines, vertical lines, vertical line. Be very careful. Very careful. So that is the division of decimal, which will give centimeter. So now I have all my points. So this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, which is equivalent to, let's say this place is 2, this is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. So this will be 0.1 decimeter, 0.2 decimeter, 0.3 decimeter, 0.4 decimeter, all the way to the end. So that is the way to design the scale So in order to make your work output neat, you can thicken your scale now. You can thicken out the outline of your scale like this. Thicken out the outline so that it can be seen very well. So the line that you use in dividing the scale, you don't need to thicken out those ones because they are not part of the questions. So that's the solution to the question. You can be asked to use your scale to construct a triangle of any given length of side. So for example, if you are asked to use it to construct an equilateral triangle of side maybe 2.2, just get this point and you count 1 2 from here to here, just measure it like that. That will be your length and use it to construct your triangle. So thank you very much for watching. In some of the videos in the next future, we will learn how to use it to use our scale to construct triangle. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.